at this one here. As you can see, a very good application. I'll pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. So watch for the video, stay tuned. Home screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of movies which you can choose from. All you have to do is just pretty much select what you want. At the top here, you can go ahead and search for any drama series that you might have in mind, and also you can see pretty much the trending one which everyone's watching on this application here. So in my list section, you pretty much will see all the history as it relates to you watching anything on this application. We'll show in the history section also any drama movie uploader you pretty much be following. It will also be shown in this section here. Same thing for the profile section, nothing much. So you don't really need a subscription as it relates to this application here. Most series are completely free, and if I do tap on one of these series, you may see something like this. As you can see here, all you have to do is just pretty much get a VPN and connect to any one of those China, you can connect to China or one of these Indian locations or any one of those locations. So once you're connected, you'll be able to watch this. But for my country, I won't be able to watch any of these series here due to my location, obviously. So yeah, very easy application to use, and no ads, completely no ads, and that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. See you in the next one.